So it's now finally official. Mount Pleasant Football Academy has been found not guilty of all charges relating to the accused use of ineligible players in 6 of their last 7 regular season JPL games. And as such, Mount Pleasant will lose no points and suffer no sanctions on that charge. However, for the charge of exceeding the allowed amount of foreign players in their squad for a specific game, Mount Pleasant will feel it in their pockets to the tune of 25,000 Jamaican dollars. Oh, this will have a devastating effect on the finances of Mount Pleasant and by extension, the owner, Mr. Peter Gould. Seriously though, thank God this saga is over and we can all look forward to the start of the JPL playoffs. Mount Pleasant can now relax and prepare for the semifinals and ponder how they're going to recoup that massive deficit in their finances of 25,000 Jamaican dollars.